Looking for some creative DIY home projects? Welcome to the realm where creativity meets functionality. In this video, we'll journey through 5 unique DIY home projects that transform everyday items into stunning and practical home decor. From hanging shelves to mason jar herb gardens, we're going to equip you with the skills to create beautiful and functional pieces for your home. So, ready to dive into the world of DIY? Great, here we go. First up, we have a DIY hanging shelf. To create this beautiful piece, you'll need some wood, a sturdy rope, and a drill. Start by cutting the wood to your preferred length. Next, drill holes on both ends of the wood, large enough to fit your rope. Thread the rope through the holes and tie knots to secure the shelf. Now hang it up and voila! A versatile space saver that adds a touch of rustic charm to any room. And there you have it, your very own stylish hanging shelf. Next, let's create a DIY mason jar herb garden. You'll need some mason jars, your favorite herbs, quality soil, and pebbles. Start by layering pebbles at the bottom of each jar for drainage. Then, add a layer of soil and plant your herbs. Remember, it's essential to give them enough water, but not too much. Place the jars on a sunny windowsill and watch as your herbs flourish. Enjoy your fresh herbs right in your kitchen with your new mason jar herb garden. Now onto our third project, a DIY palette coffee table. First things first, gather your materials, a palette, your favorite shade of paint, and some sturdy wheels. Let's start by painting the palette. Use long, even strokes for the best finish. Once it's dry, it's time to attach the wheels. Make sure they're secured tightly. Let everything dry completely before using. And there you have it. Voila, you've just made a chic, rustic coffee table for your living room. Our fourth project is DIY painted vases. Let's start off with some simple materials. Glass vases of any shape or size and your favorite hues of paint. First, ensure your vases are sparkling clean, free from dust or residue. Next, let your creativity fly as you paint your designs. Abstract or geometric, let your vases reflect your style. Once you're satisfied, let your masterpieces dry. Remember, patience is key to a flawless finish. And there you go, beautiful painted vases to brighten up any room. Our final project for today is a DIY macrame wall hanging. Begin by gathering your materials, a sturdy macrame cord and a wooden dowel. First, cut the cord into strips of your desired length. Next, tie these strips into knots, creating beautiful patterns of your own design. Then, secure your knotted masterpiece onto the wooden dowel. This is where your creative work comes to life, as you see your piece take shape. Congratulations, you've just crafted a stunning macrame wall hanging. And that wraps up our 5 creative DIY home projects. We've journeyed together, transforming ordinary items into extraordinary pieces. From crafting an appealing hanging shelf, nurturing a mini mason jar herb garden, designing a rustic palette coffee table, adding color with uniquely painted vases to creating a chic macrame wall hanging. Each project, a testament to the power of creativity and resourcefulness. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share your creations with us and stay creative.